Pilgrims commence the final rites of Hajj as Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha. In the heart of Islam's holiest sites, millions of pilgrims have embarked on the final rituals of Hajj, marking the pinnacle of spiritual fulfillment and communal unity. As these rites unfold, Muslims worldwide also celebrate Eid al-Adha, a joyous occasion commemorating the obedience and devotion of Prophet Ibrahim. Hajj, a journey of faith and unity. Hajj, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, is a sacred pilgrimage that every able-bodied Muslim who can afford it must undertake at least once in their lifetime. Centered around Mecca, Hajj begins on the 8th day of Dhul-Hijjah, the final month of the Islamic lunar calendar. Pilgrims from every corner of the globe converge on the holy city, dressed in simple white garments symbolizing purity and equality before God. The journey includes a series of rituals that trace the footsteps of Prophet Ibrahim and his family. Pilgrims circle the Kaaba, a cubic structure at the heart of the Grand Mosque, in a ritual known as tawaf. They then proceed to the hills of Safa and Marwa, retracing the steps of Hagar, Ibrahim's wife, in search of water for their infant son, Ismail. This act symbolizes perseverance and trust in God's providence. The pinnacle of Hajj occurs on the 9th day of Dhul-Hijjah, known as the Day of Arafat. Pilgrims gather at Mount Arafat, where they stand in prayer and reflection, seeking repentance and divine mercy. This momentous day culminates with the sunset, as pilgrims move to Muzdalifah to collect pebbles for the symbolic stoning of 3 pillars, representing Satan's temptation. Eid al-Adha, a celebration of sacrifice. As Hajj pilgrims perform their rites, Muslims worldwide celebrate Eid al-Adha, also known as the Feast of Sacrifice. This festival commemorates Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son Ismail in obedience to God's command, a story revered by Muslims, Christians, and Jews alike. During Eid al-Adha, Muslims slaughter livestock, typically sheep, goats, or cattle, in remembrance of Ibrahim's act. The meat is divided into 3 parts, one for family, one for friends and neighbors, and one for the needy. This sharing reflects the values of generosity and community that define the Islamic faith. Beyond the rituals, Eid al-Adha fosters unity and compassion. Families gather for prayers at mosques, exchange gifts, and partake in festive meals. It is a time for reflection on faith, gratitude for blessings, and empathy for those less fortunate. The universal message of Hajj and Eid al-Adha. At its core, Hajj and Eid al-Adha convey profound messages of unity, sacrifice, and devotion. They underscore the principles of equality before God and compassion for others, irrespective of social status or nationality. The pilgrimage serves as a powerful reminder of the shared heritage of humanity and the importance of spiritual renewal.